Hi, I'm Luke with Weller Brothers, and I'm here to talk about our tree removal services in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Our experienced arborists can tackle any job, big or small, from limbing of small trees to removal of large established trees like what's going on behind me. When selecting an arborist, it's important to find one that's certified, licensed, and follows safety protocols. At Weller Brothers, we take that seriously. Safety is one of our roots. On site, our crews will safely fell the trees, we'll limb them up, chip and haul away all the debris, grind out the stumps, and fill the hole in seed if needed. While tree removals can happen year-round, the best time is in the winter, where frozen ground causes less damage and disturbed soil. We're Weller Brothers, and we're here for all your tree removal needs.